Hello, welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So today we will discuss step by steps how we can log in into S4 HANA and Fiori login detail. Okay, so let's start. So if you are a beginner and a fresher or professionals, so this video is very useful for you, so please be there till end of the session. So let's start. So you can see this is we have a you can see this is a demo. We just S4 HANA 2025 demo I'm going to show you. This is a server detail, remote server detail. Okay, and this is a login detail. So this is a remote login, so it is not required to log in or install via a GUI. Okay, already we have already installed GUI over this remote server access. So I'm going to show you. If you are uh, if you have a Mac operating system or Windows operating system, both it is compatible to log in it. So I'm going to show you in this Windows operating system, right? So you can go here, there is a one remote desktop connection, click on this, right? And we have already here given, right, IP address, right? So let's see here, IP address. Now connect, it is asking, right, username and password. You have to give the username and password. Yes. So if you click OK, so automatically the system is going to connect, right? So once connect, so you can see this is the remote desktop over this one. So under this already installed the GUI. So no need to install over here, right? So now let's click over here. Now once click already configured, even no need to configure any kind of IP address system in detail and all. So if you go to change button, you can see already configure. Connection type is a custom application server. Already descriptions, IP address and everything is given. No need to anything do it manually. It is already over there. So once it is there, then just double click over here. Yes, this is the first login. You can see this is a command prompt, this is a menu, this is a toolbar, and this is a client. Okay, like client, you can say a separate area in a database where 100 client is available, where you can store your data over 100 client. That is the meaning of client over. Now user ID, that is, you know, that is identical for the user individual. Okay, and we have a password as well. So and login language, which language you will prefer to log in, depend upon your country or your language. Like by default this is a English. If you want to change any German or anything, like you can do over here, right? So now I'm going to log in this one. So client is 100 and user and password, I am entering the user ID and password. Yes. So this is a first login and first look site of this SAP S4 HANA login. Under this you will see this is a menu bar, this is a toolbar, and this is SAP Easy Access. And this you can see the left panel, that is a favorite, and this is the SAP menu. All the menu like logistics, cross applications, everything you will see here. Even favorite also is available. If you want to add something, let's say transactional, you can, let's see, if you want to add something SCL11, see, it is added over here. Similarly, if you want to another transaction or folder, let's see, I want to add some folder over here, insert transaction, insert folder. Let's see, I'm going to add some folder. So this is a customize, this is the flexible for the like a consultant. Let's see, I have here added SAP. If you want to add some transaction over there, SC16, okay, you can add. Let's see, this is added over here. So this is like a use of folder. If you want to delete anything, let's see, I would like to delete something, this one, right click over here, you will see there is an option called delete favorite. Okay, this is whatever that you want to favorite here, you will delete it, so it would delete. So like this you can add. Even we have a toolbar, even accordingly you can delete, you can add, whatever you can create, depend upon your requirement, you can do it. Okay, so similarly we have a multiple options. You can see we have here find buttons. Okay, even you can see this is log off. If you go click here, it is totally is going to log off. And one more thing here, the SAP S4 HANA screen maximum have a 6 screen. Okay, maximum you can see here new screen, you can create maximum 6 screen. So this is a one thing which is very important. Okay, so you can, if you want to check it, how many, see 1 2 3 6 screen already is open. If you again if you click it, not allowed to create it. It is because of, okay, multiple screen would be there, see. So that's the reason. Okay, now last one, that is called a custom layouts. If you click here and go to options, you have a custom layouts like visual design. You can check, you can change your like themes. Okay, your like layout design you can change through it. So currently we have a signature theme. If you want to change, you can do changes. If you want to font, okay, you want to change a branding, if you want to color, okay, so whatever the things you want, you can click and apply, it would be changes. So this is a basic things. Okay, for the beginner and consultant who are want to a new career in the SAP S4 HANA. So this is very useful for them. Now second things here, go to the system, which is very important. Okay, the go to the status. Under status you will see the detail like usage data. Okay, previous login, which time zone it is set already, like CCET zone is there. Okay, and one more thing that is here, if you go to the license, you can see the license still valid. Even which is like we have a server, like is it like a database, I mean Oracle or HANA, you could see here, this is a HANA database. See, this is a HANA database is there, you can see database name HANA database, right? And now you want to check it like what version, patch, everything, and exactly what are the product installed over here. You can see Fioris are also there, latest one 2025s are installed over here. So this is how you can check before start working. You should know the detail about the server which you are working. So this is the way you can check before start working. Okay, now this is a command prompt. Okay, let's see, I'm going to SC11. SC11 is the first T code where you can see the data on a table. So this is a Mara is a one of the table, a standard table where you can see the data. If you click content, and now if you see the number of entry would be like this, and you can click here, see this is like this. So we have a setting you can set depend upon the parameter and label set and all. If you want to check the grid level, you can see the grid level data would be display. So this is we have a few basic things. Okay, you can see the data like this with we have it over here. Now the second things which is most important, I'm going to tell you, that is a data. If you go system, you can see here user profile, which is most important, like user data. If you want to set or you can check the user data, how you can check, you can go there. Okay, under this you will see the detail like what kind of decimal notations already set it, date formats and time format, and most important, that is a zone CET. If you want to change the zone, you can change it like UTC or IST, you can do it. So whatever the notation you're going to change, okay, you can change over there. If you date format or time format, you can change here, and you have to save it. Whatever that is done, you can save it and come back, it would be reflected. So this is the things which is very important. And one more thing, if you just here just you can see over this, click over here, yes, you can see the detail like system, client, user, program, transactions, response, everything would be here. So this is the which is I mean very flexible to know every consultant. Okay, how, what is the meaning of this, that's why I am telling over here. So now this is, we have a S4 HANA, we can say a GUI based S4 HANA. So now we are going to Fiori. If you want to go with the Fiori, how we can log in the Fiori, which is very interesting, right? So let's see, I'm going to log in into the Fiori. See here, we will have a T code. This is the called a Fiori T code. If you press in here, you can see Fiori is going to open into different web browser, either internet or Chrome. So mostly like Internet Explorer is not compatible with the Fiori app. So what you need to do, just copy the link and open a Chrome. So Chrome is compatible with this. So paste over here, and now you can see it is open here, right? So now I'm going to just what is a similar like a username and password to log in into the Fiori app. I'm going to log in and I'm show you how it look like. So language, it is by default English. If you want to change, you can change over here. So now I'm going to log into the Fiori app, which is very important and interesting Fiori things, right? So this is the steps. Okay, I'm going to log in. So it's slow, so wait a minute. So once log in, you will see all the applications related to that. See Launchpad, various and config modeling, BOM, purchasing, everything. Yeah, depend, right? See, so many things are there. So I mean, yeah, it is. So look, so this is look like a Fiori. Sometimes, okay, you will have a challenges or mistakes. So what should you do if you have sometimes this kind of error? Let's see, I'll show you what is the error initially you will face while logging in the Fiori. Let's see here. If you go through the, see, this is the error like you will see here, right? So what you need to do, you have just copy this link and open into the Chrome browser, right? So if you open into the Chrome browser, see, so it will work over here. So see, this is Launchpad and this is the options in a Fiori, and you slowly, I mean, you will have to see multiple options, source, supply, evaluation. So more options would be here. So depend upon your module. Okay, you start working and go to the overview, you will see all the overview like monitoring. So these are the Fiori is totally web based and very easy to handle it. Okay, it is not like a GUI, you have to remember the T code and all. So this is a very user friendly Fiori app. So that you can say this is the future one going forward. S4 HANA totally is going to convert or replace to the GUI over the Fiori. So this is the future, I can say. So this is the way, I mean, we can log in into the S4 HANA if you are a beginner. So this is a very helpful to you. So please, if it is good or available sessions, please like the sessions and subscribe. If in case any questions, please comment us, and if you need any improvement, please definitely you can ping me or you can comment, and definitely you should share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Bye.